What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J O H H A B R A H A M, and we're back with the analytical chemistry. I gotta for prepare for the UV spectroscopy, and guess what? The result I submitted yesterday, it got accepted. That's crazy, right? That does not happen to me usually. It just gets rejected, but now it's got accepted. Okay, so I got like 30 minutes to prepare for this. That's not too many time. I have 30 minutes before let me know what or how should I proceed. This experiment is much simpler mathematically than titration. What is happening chemically? Iron in solution reacts with phenanthroline, an orange-red complex. Hydroxylamine hydrochloride reduces any FeCl plus to Fe2 plus. This ensures all iron is measured. At 510 nanometer, the complex absorbs light. According to Beer-Lambert's law, absorbance is proportional to concentration. What you should record in your notebooks. Standard added milliliter absorbance. Absorbance is proportional to concentration. At 510 nanometer, the complex absorbs light. According to Beer-Lambert's law, absorbance is proportional to concentration. Okay. I know that. I know that from general chemistry notes. Sample. Before the lab, calculate the Fe concentration of each standard. You start with 20 milligrams a liter. Standard 1, 5 milliliters of 20 milligrams per liter diluted to 100 milliliter. Standard 2 is 10 milliliters diluted to 100 milliliters. 15, 20, 25. Prepare table to prepare. Okay. Let me know how do I start. So I get the sample and I split it into each volumetric flask. And fill the rest with water after adding the 5, 10, 15, 20 milliliters. Not gonna lie, gang, I'll be right back. Not quite. There are two separate preparations. The unknown sample, you have one solution. I'll be right back, gang. the unknown sample. Yeah, once sample solution, fill the original sample flask to 250 milliliters of DNS water. Pipette 50 milliliter of the sample to a 100 milliliter volumetric flask. Add 5 milliliter ammonium acetate, 2 milliliter hydroxyl ammonium chloride, 2 milliliter phenanthroline solution. Fill to the mark with DNS water. Mix thoroughly. Wait 15 minutes. Measure absorbance at 510. This gives the absorption value for unknown. Prepare 6 standards separately. The standard solutions already have. Prepare 6 standards separately. Taste 600 milliliter volumetric flask. You prepare the standard solution already has, which is this is the unknown solution, right? Take 600 milliliter volumetric flask. Then for each standard flask, pipette 50 milliliter into a fresh. Pipette 50 milliliter into a fresh 100. Then for each standard flask, pipette 50 milliliter into a fresh 100. Yo, that's a lot of volumetric flask. Add 5 milliliter buffer. Quick workflow in the lab. Okay. So we are gonna have a sample solution and another solution with the exact you will have 2 categories of solutions. Unknown sample, this is a solution where iron concentration you are trying to determine. You do not know its Fe concentration. After treatment with hydroxylamine, phenanthroline and buffer, you measure its absorbance. These are prepared from a solution with a known iron concentration. The lab gives you iron stock solution. From the 20 milligram per liter standard, you prepare standards of the known concentration. These concentrations are exactly from the dilution. Do we need a blank? The speedometer does not directly tell you. Speedometer. The Fe concentration equals 2.8 milligrams. Why do we need standards? So you measure the standards and obtain something like. Then you plot the concentration versus absorption, where when the unknown sample gives you, for example, you use the calibration line to find that it corresponds to roughly 2.8 milligrams per liter iron. I still haven't fully understood this part with the but I think that's not done. So can we start again with the steps and the table for me to Where's my fucking pen? Gotta go get the pen. It's on my bag. And my bag is not here. Don't tell me the bag is still outside. No. The fuck? What? Where's my bag? Fuck. I feel like I need to go get the coffee, but 15 minutes. Forget the absorptions part for now. That's something you'll get from spectrometer later. Right now, just focus on what you physically do in the lab. UV-Vis Spectroscopy. flask, volume of 20 milligrams per liter Fe standard, fill to is 4 is 5. Don't tell me this pen is take volumetric flasks. What do you physically do? 6 blank, add no iron standard, fill to 100 milliliters with water. Milliliters with water. I don't think we need the blank. I don't think this is necessary. S1 5 milliliter of 20 milligram per liter Fe standard. Why is the pen not working properly? S2O, add 10 milliliters of 20 milligram iron standard. S3, 15 milliliter. S4, 20 milliliter. S5, 25 milliliter. Then comes the second dilution. For each standard pipette, 50 milliliter into 100 milliliter volumetric flask. Second dilution. By 50 milliliter. Pipette 50 milliliter into a new 100 milliliter volumetric flask. Add ammonium acetate / acetic acid solution, 5 milliliter ammonium acetate / acetic acid solution. Two milliliter hydroxylamine hydrochloride solution. Hydroxylamine hydrochloride solution. 2 milliliter phenanthroline solution. 2 milliliter phenanthroline solution. Fill up to 100 milliliter. Shake and wait 15 minutes. Notebook table 2. Unknown. Sample taken. Final volume. You know what? Just a minute. I gotta recheck the Muru. Look at the one I had. The video that gave us as a reference. Let me pull that up. I'll pull up. Sulfuric acid diluted 1. Hundred ml plus 50 milliliter sample filtrated and acidified with 1. Setting up the calibration curve. 6 times 100 milliliter volumetric flask plus 1 milliliter sulfuric acid. 0 plus 0 blank 5 10 milliliter 5 10 15 25 or 20 or 25 iron standard solution corresponding to 0 1 2 3 4 and 5 milligrams per liter. Do we have to add sulfur? Is adding sulfuric acid onto the prepared flask mentioned? Three, 6. So there's a glacial acetic acid solution. Mixing, filling up to the mark with water. if I understand this, we have a total of 8 volumetric flask with a blank, just water, then the sample, then the different molal Fe solutions. But then we add the reagents, hydroxy phenan all into all of these flasks, even the blank one. Diode array spectrometer at 510 nanometers. I'm guessing that's the blank. Just a minute, somebody just sent me a message. Is my mic on? No. I'm gonna mute for just a bit. Okay. Oh, you just pass light through here, or determination of iron command. Curvette path length 1 okay, volumetric flask. Why is the 1 liter volumetric flask? Why is it involved here? Volumetric pipettes. Sulfuric acid diluted 1 plus 3 water. Again, I'm a bit confused on the stock solution, as I will be getting 100 milligrams per liter stock solution. Wait. How do I make it the 20 milligrams per liter, from which I take the 5 milliliter, 10 milliliter, 15 milliliter, etc. You're doing it simple. Dilution step. Goal. You're given stock solution is 100 milligram per liter. You need 20 milligram per liter. Use dilution equation. Use dilution equation. C1 equals 100 milliliter. Calculate the volume of stock needed. 100 times V1 equals 20 to 100. Final preparation 20 milligrams per liter standard to make 100 milli. Wait. This dilution equation. Calculate the volume. You're given stock solution. Use dilution equation. C1 equals 100 milligram per liter. C2 equals 20 milligram per liter. Calculate volume of stock needed. 20 milliliter. Fuck. I'm fucked. Can I share this chat? Is it possible for me to share? How do you share the chat? Can I make changes? That's what I want to know. I should be fully charged. You know what, YouTube? I'm in the stream. I got to first go to meet the go meet the friend, because I told this person that I'll be there, and what else? And then I'll move to the labs. Can be prepared from stock. Fill up till okay. Bit late. I'll be at the Camel at around 12:20. Oh, fuck. Okay, okay. Oh, the sample is already filtered. Okay, filtered and acidified. Is that the sample? That's blank. That's 1 milligram. I can read it. That's 5. That's 4. That's 3. It should be 2. Okay, what did you do here? Sample. Sample P1, sample P2. Six times 100 volumetric flash, 0 blank, 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25 iron standard solution corresponding to. No, that's the 20. Okay. Okay, what's with the two samples? I don't get it. What? Why do we have two samples now? Addition of reagents. So first they added hydroxyl, okay. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Is the mic on? Yeah. I don't get the sample 1, sample 2. The different concentration iron solution. The no, it's yeah, this one, 1 milligram. Yeah, blank the sample. Why do we have an extra? Do we have 2 samples? Because in the video there's and I forgot. I know the 6 flasks are the blank with increasing milligram but then but still it's only 7 flasks, and I did see there's sample number 1 and sample number 2. I did ask this question, but with the blank, just water, then sample. You're looking at 2 different sample flasks in addition to the standards. What the 8 flasks are? Six flask. The calibration set. Real unknown samples 2 flask. Unknown water sample. Verse replicate. Unknown water. Same unknown water sample. What? They are duplicates of the same solution used to improve accuracy, repeat measurements so you can check consistency. Oh, okay. Oh, I was like, what the fuck? Yo, I just heard someone use the chat. Chuck Key. Yo. Yo, what's up? What's up, gang? What's up, Chuck Key? How you chucklin'? How you key? Okay. I can make up words with your name, gang. Chuck Key is a interesting word, and I feel like you have you have been to this chat before, right? I look really stressed. Oh fuck! I got my labs coming up, which is not stressed, but yeah. Oh shit! I look stressed. Fuck. Okay. I gotta do something on that. I'm kinda stressed because I did not prepare for the labs. Here's something that I can help. I can show you how to make a stress ball. I do have a stress ball though. But hey, I like tutorials. So we got 6 flasks. Do I have anything in the house that's made of rubber? Like balloon? No. But I got a stress ball. Yeah. I got one of those stress balls. Fucking. What would be the most similar thing to what you have requested? A rubberish. No. Looks like I don't have anything that is kind of similar to balloons. 336. Do I have a glove? Oh yeah, I do. I do have gloves. I do have a lot of gloves. It's in my backpack, but yeah, I do have gloves. What you want me to do? 6, 7. Oh shit. 8. Okay. How do you show me? How you gonna show me real quick? So sample. Same. What else? Blank. 5 milliliter. 10 milliliter. 15 milliliter. 20 milliliter. 3, 4, 5. Okay, 25 milliliter. Just a minute, gang. Just a minute. 1 milligram per liter. 2 milligram per liter. 3 milligram per liter. 4 milligram per liter. 5 milligram per liter. Okay. Yo, I'm doing too much right now. What? Got one of them hand condoms. Condoms for your hand. Get it? Get it? No? Okay. Diode array spectrometer. It's a stress ball. Some bullshit. I'm pretty hungry right now, not gonna lie. Damn, Chuck T just left. Now I'm here. Okay. Well, I got the gloves. What were your plans though? Oh, damn. That's kind of weird. You can do whatever you want with it. Yeah. Can I make a fist out of it? Whoa, 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 whoa. Can you hold something cylindrical? It can, it can. Just need some assistance. Don't worry. I'm gonna teach you everything I know. Vote for hand. So that was your stress ball. That was your stress reliever. Did I write everything I needed? Is it bad? I don't think so. Oh yeah, like, did you mean it like literally or literally? Also, onto the samples. Pipe. You mean it literally. I mean, you can do a lot of stuff other than brushing your teeth. If you know what I'm, if you know, if you know what I mean. So after these solutions are prepared, then here's a challenge. Let's see how long you can wear it. Wear a glove. I have worn gloves for like more than 5 hours. Yeah. I have a part-time job. It's at a restaurant, and whenever I work there, I use gloves, and I wear it like more than 5 hours. I would have worn it more than 5 hours if I didn't get a break in between while studying. What's the point though? What's the point? Bing, 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 bing. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. That's a condom. So after these solutions are prepared, we do the UV spectrometry. And is there anything that I should be knowing before I measure the results? Also, give me a table that contains all the samples and stuff included. Yes, after preparing all flask, UVV step is pretty straightforward. Blank is mandatory first. You measure the blank first. The instrument is set to 0 at 510 nanometers. This removes background from reagents. Water curvette. You skip this. All results are going wrong. Order of measurement matters. Recommended measure in this order. Okay, gang. Chuck Key, I appreciate you for checking out the stream, but it's 12:25 and I got my labs starting in 45 minutes. So I gotta eat. I gotta get out of here, drink a coffee, go to my bike, straight to university. So, yeah. That was cool though. Appreciate you for checking out the stream. Respect. Peace.